Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change Amazon account on Kindle. Unfortunately, you cannot directly change your Amazon account on a Kindle device. The Kindle is designed to be associated with a single Amazon account, so if you need to switch to a different Amazon account, here is how you can do it. First of all, open up your web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and then type in amazon.com in the URL box. Make sure to sign into your Amazon account, and once you're inside the main home page, click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. From your Accounts tab, scroll down and tap on See All Account. After you open up the Your Accounts tab, scroll down and tap on Devices. Now you will be able to see the Amazon apps list installed on the device. Tap on Kindle and then click on Deregister from your Kindle Cloud Reader, and then make sure to deregister from other devices such as your iPhone or your tablets, and tap on Deregister one more time. Now that you've deregistered your Kindle device, go ahead and open up your Amazon Kindle app, and you will see that you have been redirected to the main login page. In the sign in area, enter your new Amazon account's credential that you're trying to change to. If you don't have another Amazon account, you can also begin by tapping on Create a new Amazon account and follow through the instructions. After you have an account, you can simply enter the credentials for your account, that is your email address, and then your password for your Amazon account, and tap on Sign In. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to sign into your Amazon Kindle account, which means you have successfully changed your Amazon account on Kindle. All you need to do is to sign in with a different Amazon account, and you will be good to go. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.